Good morning, dear students. How are you all? We hope you all are doing good and safe at home. Right, goodies? Shall we start today's session? This video is specially for Vijayadashami newly admitted students. Shall we start today's class? Today we are going to see the continuation of last class. What we see in the last class? Last class we see birds and flowers name, right? What are the birds name we see in the last class? Hen, H-E-N, hen. Henna, Koli. Okay, these are all the birds name. We studied 12 birds name in the last class. First one, hen, H-E-N, hen. Koli. Cock, C-O-C-K, cock. Seval. Cock na enna? Seval. C-O-C-K, cock. Next one, crow. C-R-O-W, crow, kagam. Crow. C-R-O-W. Next one, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Pigeon. Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Next one, myna. It is myna. M-Y-N-A, myna. Myna. Next one, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Vulture. Vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. Next one, peacock, mayil. Peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Next one, swan. Swan, S-W-A-N, swan. S-W-A-N, swan. Sparrow, S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. And the last bird, eagle. Eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. This is a eagle bird. Okay. So these are the birds we studied in the last class, right? So today we are going to see some transports and insects. First we recall the flower names. Okay, dears? This is what we studied in the last class. Flower name. Rose. R-O-S-E, rose. Jasmine. J-A-S-M-I-N-E, jasmine. This is a jasmine flower. Next one, lotus. L-O-T-U-S, lotus. L-U-L-O-T-U-S, lotus. So this is a lotus flower. Next one, sunflower. sunflower. This is a sunflower. 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 Next one, lily. 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 Daisy. Daisy. This flower is bigger in size. Okay. Daisy. 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 Next one, Gloxinia. This is a Gloxinia. 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 Marigold. 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 Shoe flower. Shoe flower. shoe. Shoe. Flower. 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 Shoe flower. So today we are going to see transports. Transports are used to travel from one place to another place. Okay dears? Transport. For what purpose we use the transports? These are the vehicles we use for transportation. For the purpose of going from one place to another place, we need these kinds of vehicles. Okay dears? So let's see what are the transports name here. Okay, these are the means of transports. 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 First one, what is this? It is a bicycle. It is a bicycle. 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 This is a bicycle. 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 Next one, it is a scooter. 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 This is a scooter. Next one, this is a motorcycle. Motorcycle. motor. Cycle. cycle. Motorcycle. Okay, this is a motorcycle. Next one, lorry. 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 Car. 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 This is a car. We see, right? We see in the traffic, van, lorry. We see these means of transports in the roads. Okay dears? This is a van. What is this? It is a van. 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 Next one, train. What is this? It is a train. 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 This is a train. So when we need to travel from one district to another, likewise we used to transport in a train. Okay, next one, this is a bus. What is this? It is a bus. B-U-S, bus. B-U-S, bus. Next one, aeroplane. Aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. This is a aeroplane. It travels through the air. Okay, this one is a ship. It travels in the water. Okay, what is this? It is a ship. S-H-I-P, ship. S-H-I-P, ship. This is a aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. Second one is a ship. S-H-I-P, ship. This is a helicopter. Helicopter. H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, helicopter. Bicycle. Scooter. Motorcycle. Lorry. Car. Van. Train. Bus. Aeroplane. Ship. Helicopter. Okay dears, these are the means of transports. Now we are going to see insects. Poochigal. Insects. We see many insects, right? These are the insects we see in our daily life. Okay dears, these are the insects. Poochigal. Insects. I-N-S-E-C-T-S, insects. The first insect is ant. Erumbu. This is a ant. Erumbu. A-N-T, ant. A-N-T, ant. Second one, mosquito. Mosquito. M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O, mosquito. M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O, mosquito. Housefly. H-O-U-S-E F-L-Y, housefly. Housefly. Butterfly. Butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R, butterfly. F-L-Y, fly. Butterfly. Butterfly. Cockroach. It is a cockroach. C-O-C-K-R-O-A-C-H, cockroach. Spider. S-P-I-D-E-R, spider. What are the insects we see? Ant, mosquito, housefly, butterfly, cockroach and spider. Okay dears, today your homework is write these names in your homework note or any other note. Write only the names of the transports. Put a topic transport, then write these ones. Okay, bicycle first one, second one scooter, third one motorcycle, fourth one lorry, fifth one car, sixth one van, seventh one train, eighth one bus, ninth one aeroplane, 10th one ship, 11th one helicopter. So you have to write only the names, okay, names only. Then insect names: ant, mosquito, housefly, butterfly, cockroach, spider. Okay dears, write it in a note and take a picture, send it in our WhatsApp group. Okay students, thank you, have a nice day.